Hello, what are you cooking today?
I am cooking hot beef burgers.
Can I order 2 big burgers?
Yes, you can order them now.
Do they come with hot fries?
Yes, fries are in the box.
What sauce do you have today?
We have red ketchup and mayo.
Please put ketchup on the side.
Do you want extra salt too?
Yes, put extra salt on fries.
Do you like sweet grilled onions?
No, I do not like onions.
I will make them without onions.
How long will the food take?
It will take 10 short minutes.
Can I wait in my car?
Yes, I will call your number.
My tracksuit is very warm today.
It is a good sport suit.
Can I pay with cash now?
You will pay after the food.
That is a very good rule.
We always do it this way.
I will stand right over there.
Please listen for your order number.
What cold drinks do you sell?
We have cold cola and water.
Do you have fresh apple juice?
We only have sweet orange juice.
Is the orange juice very cold?
It is fresh from the fridge.
I will take 2 orange juices.
Do you need ice in them?
Please put ice in 1 cup.
Do you want a plastic straw?
No, I do not use straws.
That is good for the nature.
Yes, I want to help nature.
Do you need hot coffee too?
Is your black coffee very strong?
Yes, it will wake you up.
Then give me 1 black coffee.
Do you take sugar in coffee?
I need 2 packets of sugar.
I will put them right here.
My order is completely ready now.
Yes, the drinks are all done.
Thank you for your fast work.
It is my pleasure to help.
I will take them to friends.
Carry them very carefully, please.
Is the beef fresh today?
Yes, we buy meat every morning.
Do you cook it on grill?
Yes, the grill is very hot.
I am very hungry right now.
You will love our big portions.
Is the burger bun very soft?
We bake the buns every day.
What else is in the burger?
We add fresh green lettuce leaves.
Do you put red tomatoes inside?
Yes, 2 slices of red tomato.
Can you make it very spicy?
I can add hot green peppers.
Yes, please add many hot peppers.
I will make it extra spicy.
I really love very hot food.
Have you eaten our food before?
No, this is my first time.
You will come back again soon.
I smell the meat cooking now.
Your hot meal is almost ready.
I am waiting in my tracksuit.
You look very sporty today, sir.
Thank you. I like sport clothes.
I will pack the food now.
Is my hot order ready now?
Yes, here are your big burgers.
Are the drinks in the bag?
The drinks are in cup holders.
How much is the total price?
It is 35 paper dollars.
Do you accept paper cash here?
Yes, we only take paper money.
Here is a $50 bill.
Let me find your paper change.
Take your time. I can wait.
Here is $15 in change.
Let me count the money first.
Please count it very carefully now.
Yes, the paper cash is exact.
Here is your printed paper receipt.
I will put it in pocket.
Do you need extra paper napkins?
Yes, I need many paper napkins.
I put them in the bag.
Did you put the ketchup inside?
The red ketchup is right there.
The heavy bag smells very good.
Enjoy your hot, fresh street food.
I will eat it right now.
Please come back to our truck.
Is this wooden bench empty now?
Yes, you can sit right here.
I will put my food down.
Are those the famous beef burgers?
Yes, I bought 2 big ones.
They smell absolutely delicious to me.
Do you want to try one?
No, I just ate my lunch.
This burger is very hot indeed.
Be careful with the hot cheese.
The soft meat is very tasty.
I will buy one tomorrow, maybe.
You should definitely buy it tomorrow.
Are the yellow fries very salty?
They have the perfect salty taste.
That food truck is very popular.
There is a long line now.
They cook very fast street food.
My tracksuit is safe from ketchup.
Yes, be careful with your clothes.
I always eat very carefully outside.
Enjoy the rest of your meal.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
I will go for a walk.
See you around the park later.
Goodbye, my good new street friend.